Okay, on this video we're going to talk about the tracking script on the Click Dimensions pages that needs to be in place to make sure that your visitors are tracked as they come onto your site. So we will go into the settings section of Dynamic CRM, and here, as you can see, I'm on the Click Dimensions settings. Here we have the script example, which if you click it will give you a screen with the actual script that you use. So it's not really an example, it's your actual script. And the script is a lot like what you'd see with something like Google Analytics. And most people can take this script and just put it on a footer file that will appear on all their pages. And that's what we've done on our site. So I'll show you how that works. I'm just going to go to my web editor. I have the footer file and this footer file is included on all my pages, so I've simply made a note and I've pasted in my tracking script. And you can notice I have that right above my Google Analytics tracking script, so it works with Google Analytics. There's no conflict, no problem there, or any other analytics type script that may be running on your site. So I can place it there, and once I do that, all the visits to that page will be tracked. So you really don't need to do anything other than that. However, there are a couple of different options. If you go back to the settings and look at that page, it shows you how to set some variables so that you can custom score the page, so that you can make the page a priority page, which means it will show up highlighted in our tracking summaries and our profile page. And then you can also put a CRM campaign ID in the page. So if you've got a landing page or a microsite and you want all the traffic to that page or site to map back to a CRM campaign record, you can set that variable. So all you need to do these things, and these are completely optional, but you simply need to set these variables on the page before the tracking script runs. Now the tracking script is supposed to run before the end body tag. So if we go back to my editor and we pull up a page that's on the site, I can see that the footer that includes the tracking script is running here right before the end body tag. And I've customized this page to make it a priority page, to give it a custom score, and to link it to a CRM campaign ID. In this case, I set all three of those variables right before the tracking script ran, and because I did that, when the tracking script runs, it'll take these variables and it will make that page view a priority page. It will score it as a 10 and it will link it to this CRM campaign ID. Notice that's an actual CRM generated campaign code. So that's all you have to do if you want to change that. You can do these in any combination. If you wanted to do, you know, not just the priority page and the score, you could do it. If you just wanted to have the score, that's fine. The only thing you have to make sure is that you have the opening and closing script lines there before that happens. So that's really all there is to placing your tracking script with Click Dimensions.